Baby crawl. Drag yourself to the ground. Do like baby position, then crawl like babies and drag your feet forward. Bear crawl. Left off your knee to the ground. Move opposite hand and foot forward and crawl forward like baby crawl. Crab walk. Sit on the ground and hand placed behind. Lift your hips off the floor. Walk backward or forward. Gorilla walk. Squat low with your feet wide. Place your hands on the ground in front. Move ahead like gorilla. Plank walk linear. Do a plank position. Slowly walk forward while dragging your feet forward. Plank walk lateral. Start in a push-up position. Step hand and foot to the side. Move the other hand and foot to follow. Running. Arm and leg action. Pump arms forward and back. Lift knees in a smooth running motion. Linear high knee march. Lift one knee high. March forward, switching knees. Back pedal. Stand, step backward with one foot. Follow with the other foot while keeping balance. Backward jog. Just jogging but backwards. Lateral side shuffle. Step sideways with one foot. Follow with other foot and keep moving. Lateral skips. Do a march position, then move sideward. Lateral high knee. Do a running step, then move on your side. Carioca. Stand, cross one foot in front of the others, step the other foot behind and continue sideways. Sideway jump. Jump on your side, then continue to other side. Broad jump. Jump in a long distance. Jump in or forward. Stand tall, jump forward, and land softly. Jumping jacks. Stand, feet together and arms at your side. Jump feet out and raise arm overhead.